Okay, y'all, good morning. I am getting ready to make some breakfast. I'm gonna cook some bacon. I'm just getting this bacon grease off of here from the eggs I fried yesterday. So I'm gonna be posting several little videos throughout the day of everything that I'm doing, y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned to check out the videos. I'm gonna cook some bacon and some eggs this morning. So let me get started. I'm just gonna put the bacon on here. And I'm gonna cook it on a low fire. Gonna cook it on a low fire. And plus we warm the bacon up again, so it still cooks it some more when we warm it up. Miss Charlene probably gonna eat something when she come back. She went to the store. Her and her sister went to the store. I think they should be on their way back. Today is Friday. How are you guys doing today? Happy Friday. I don't know why it don't seem like a Friday to me. It seemed like a Saturday. Kind of, sort of. But I hope to get some work done on the van today, y'all. Assembling my bed and probably painting it. So that's hopefully what I'm gonna work on. So right now I'm gonna wash the dishes and I'm gonna do a ASMR bussing suds video. So I'm just gonna start doing my content separately because I could get several videos throughout the day from different things that I do that different people like. Some people like the ASMR washing dishes. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I haven't washed dishes in a while with my gloves. So let me do that. And I will see you guys in a little bit. So you guys, I am trying to get in the habit of fixing breakfast in the morning before I go outside and work on the van, because then I end up being starving later on and have to come back in the house. And I have been feeling a little nauseous and fainty because I wasn't eating before I go outside. So I'm trying to take better care of myself and eat in the morning before I go outside, because sometimes being on the carnivore diet, I wake up starving because I don't necessarily, where you can eat a lot of meals throughout the day on the carnivore diet. You need to make sure you're eating a lot of fat, having a lot of fat intake in your diet. And when you're not doing that, it's like you're depleted of nourishments and minerals. So I've only been eating 2 meals a day, but I want to make sure that I am not like starving myself, and not, it's essential that I get the vitamins and the minerals that I need, especially early in the morning if I'm going to go outside and be working. So I've been trying to be better at eating breakfast before I go outside, and I've been doing it for like the last week. All this week, I did fix breakfast before I went outside in the morning. So that's what I'm working on. I'm working on fixing my bed in the morning and eating breakfast before I go outside. Now I need to work on taking my iodine every day because I've slacked off on that. And I also need to work on drinking my electrolytes because I'm not doing that as well. And I need to put more water back in my diet because I'm not drinking as much water as I should be drinking as well. So, anywho, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Okay, y'all, I'm cooking my breakfast. Eggs and bacon. Don't them eggs look beautiful?